Hello everyone, my name is Jennifer Michelle, and today I'll be presenting about my thematic website proposal, which is about Indonesian tea website. So we will start with the concept of the website. This website will introduce Indonesia's unique teas to a wide audience so that people around the world can learn about the tea characteristics, varieties, benefits, and how to prepare tea in Indonesia. The website will be designed with a clean and elegant look, featuring a combination of green, brown, yellow, and white colors that strongly represent tea. Next is the purpose. So, the function of the Indonesian Tea website is to introduce Indonesia's products and culture to a wide audience, serving as a platform to promote Indonesian tea to the international community. The website also aims to support local farmers in Indonesia, enabling them to sell their products to a broader audience. In addition, the website aimed to provide education about the benefits of tea, its varieties, and how to prepare it. Next is the target audience. So this website targeting three audience. The first one is tea enthusiasts from various countries who are interested in expanding their knowledge about teas from around the world. Second one is tourists and culture lovers who are keen to learn about Indonesian culture. And the third one is local consumers in Indonesia who love Indonesian products. So this is the visual references. So I want to create a simple website like this. Also, I want to create a traditional design, which is often associated with simple and elegant because traditional designs usually focus on clarity and authenticity. So that's why traditional styles usually avoid overly complex or trendy elements. Next is the color palette. So I use green, yellow, brown, beige, and also white because all of this kind of colors represent tea, also represent traditional at the same time. Because my theme is Indonesian traditional tea, so that's why I use this color. Next is the font. So I use this one because this one is also minimalist, simple, and elegant like the theme that I already explained before. Next is the website inspiration. So the first one, I was inspired with the Drink Can website. I was inspired with the pouring tea image, and so that's why I want to create a pouring tea animation and other elements that emphasize the Indonesian tea theme. For the second one is this website. I was inspired with the simple and traditional Indonesian aesthetics by using minimalist fonts and harmonious colors. Okay, next is the flowchart. So actually, I already create the new flowchart because based on the feedback, I must improve my website and make the design better. So this is the new flowchart. So we will start with the loading page, and then after the loading page, it will automatically go to the landing page. On the landing page, there will be like a slide animation for the typography, and then there will be a button. We can click the button and then we will go to the home page. On the home page, there will be four different pages. The first one is history, types of tea, brewing, and benefits. For history, when we click it, a timeline of Indonesian tea history shaped like a quarter circle with a rotating teacup will appear. Next is the types of tea. When we click, the types of tea will be displayed in an interesting carousel. For brewing, when we click it, the animation of pouring tea into a cup will appear. And then when we click start, how to brew Indonesian tea will shown as an interactive image where user must click the numbered steps on the image to start the brewing process. Next is the benefits. When we click, the benefits of Indonesian tea will be presented in a card layout. And then when we click here, the benefits of Indonesian tea displayed in a card animation. So this is the previous wireframe before the final feedback from Mr. Samsul. So based on the feedback, I must improve it. So that's why I change some of the concept. Not the concept, but actually I improved the concept on the prototype. So this is the final outcome for the loading page. The concept is the T will be appear first, and then there will be lifts animation, loading line animation, and wayang. So this is the animation reference. Next is the landing page. So the concept is a hot Indonesian tea with Indonesian traditional elements will appear to highlight that this website is from Indonesia, which is Batik and Hononcoroko. Also animation for the typography. So this one, the white one is Batik, but it's kind of like we cannot really see the Batik in the slide, but actually this one is Batik. And this one is Hononcoroko, the Indonesian traditional letters. Next is the home page. So the concept is a traditional Indonesian tea or teh poci served in the middle of the page with Indonesian aromatic spice herbs in the left and right. So it will create a kind of like horizontal scroll animation. So this is my animation reference.
Have you ever noticed the endless scrolling feature on ADP list?
So usually this kind of animation will be placed on the bottom of the website, but for my website, I put it on the home page to create a horizontal scroll animation for the Indonesian aromatic spice and herbs. Next is the history page. So the concept is a timeline of Indonesian tea history shaped like a quarter circle with a rotating teacup in the center will appear. So this one, the timeline can be clicked and then there will be like a overlay display in the center. All of this can be clicked. So this is the animation reference. I was inspired by the donut animation.
The circular motion. And click that.
Next is the types of tea. So the concept is a carousel designed with a unique shape. So this is actually a carousel, but I kind of make it more interesting by designing like this. So this can be clicked, this one also can be clicked, all of this can be clicked. And the one that is clicked will be displayed at the center and will be the biggest one. So this is the animation reference. Next is brewing. So the concept is an animation of pouring tea into a cup will appear. Then when click start, it will display the teh poci with slightly animation to the left and right. This one. This one also can be clicked. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this one, the animation reference. Next is the types of tea. So the concept is there will be a card that displays the benefits of Indonesian tea. And then when click here is click this one, it will go to the animation and carousel. So basically this is a card animation that I combined it with carousel animation. So this is the card animation reference. So that's all for the proposal presentation. Okay, so next I'll be presenting the prototype in Figma. So we will start with the loading page. So this is the loading page. And then we will automatically go to the landing page. On the landing page, we must click this button here. So this button can also hover. So this is the home page. We must click the T to begin. And this is the history page with the rotating teacup and the timeline. All of this can be clicked. Next is the types of tea. This one can be hover. You can click this one, also can be hover. This one. This one. You can click all of this, and all of this can be hover also. Next is the types of tea. I mean the brewing. So this is the pouring tea animation. Then after the animation, we can click start. So this button can be hover. So this is the animation, and we can click all of the button. This button also can be hovered. Next is the benefits. So we can click here, and then there will be like a carousel and card animation. You can click here also, here, here. Okay, so that's all for the presentation. Thank you so much for watching and listening.